Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make content faster using the Canva's Magic Resize AI suggestions. If you post on multiple platforms, this Canva trick helps you repurpose one design into dozen instantly. Step 1, can open Canva and create your design. Go to canva.com or the app on the Canva or open the Canva app on an iPhone. Make one post. It could be a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, or ad. And then once your design is ready, at the top select every format you need: Instagram story, reel, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube thumbnail, etc. Tap resize, copy and resize. In seconds, Canva AI will automatically adjust fonts, elements, and layouts to fit each platform. Step 3, use AI suggestions for caption and layout fixes. Tap the Magic Studio wand. Tap the Magic Studio wand and Canva will instantly recommend better font and color combos, new captions or posts, and stuff like that. You can accept, tweak, or regenerate suggestions until it looks perfect. Step 4, apply magic white for quick captions, and then export and schedule. Safety tip: always double check brand colors or logos before resizing. Canva AI might auto adjust them slightly. Quick fix: if magic resize isn't showing, update Canva to the latest version. Make sure you are logged in into a pro account. Feature not available on free plans yet. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.